Hello student, this is Sharda Sahu from Tilak Bharati School, Raipur. Today we will discuss about the topic cube from chapter Mensuration part 2. What is a cube? A cube is a rectangular solid with equal length, breadth and height. That is, in a cube the length, breadth and height are equal. That is, length equals to breadth equals to height, and we can say that length, breadth and height is equal to side. So volume of cube is given by side into side into side, that is side cube, or we can write side cube as S cube. Here S is side. Now unit of volume, the unit of volume is meter cube, centimeter cube, or we can say that cubic unit. Just like as the unit of area is in meter square, centimeter square or square units. Similarly, unit of volume is given by meter cube or centimeter cube, or simply we can say that in cubic units. Let us take an example. Here each side of a cube is 6 centimeter. Now how many cubes of side 2 centimeters can be cut out from this cube? That means हमें एक क्यूब दिया गया है जिसकी साइड दी हुई है 6 सेंटीमीटर्स, और हमको बताना है कि अगर हम 2 सेंटीमीटर साइड का क्यूब काटेंगे तो कितने क्यूब्स उसमें से बनेंगे. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव गिवन इज side of a cube, that is 6 centimeter. So the volume of cube is given by side cube, that is 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube, that is 216 centimeter cube. Now the side of the cube that have to be cut out, that means वो क्यूब जिसका साइड जो हमको कट करना है उसका साइड हमको दिया गया हुआ है 2 सेंटीमीटर्स. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द क्यूब ऑफ द volume of the smaller cube, that is volume of cube is given by side cube. So here the side is 2 centimeters, so we have to put the value of side, that is 2. So on solving this we will get the side of the volume of the cube that have to be cut out is 8 centimeter cube. Now we have to find out number of cubes that can be cut out. मतलब कितने नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स बनेंगे उस बड़े वाले क्यूब से 2 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के कितने क्यूब बनेंगे. तो फॉर दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिगर क्यूब and upon the volume of cube to be cut out. So this is given by 216 divided by 8. So the answer is 27. So the number of cubes that have to be cut out is 27. मतलब 27 cubes हमको मिलेंगे. Let us take next example. If each side of a cube is made 4 times, then how many times will be the volume become? So that means अगर हमने हर एक एज क्यूब का एज, और वी कैन से दैट साइड, अगर हमने हर एक साइड क्यूब का 4 टाइम्स कर दिया तो उसका वॉल्यूम कितने टाइम्स बढ़ जाएगा या हो जाएगा. तो हम लेट द एज और साइड ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्यूब, हम जो हम इनिशियली जो हम क्यूब ले रहे हैं हम उसका साइड एस ले रहे हैं. वॉल्यूम, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्यूब विल बी एस क्यूब. नाउ अब हमको बोला गया है कि ईच साइड ऑफ ए क्यूब इज मेड 4 टाइम्स. दैट मीन्स पहले जो साइड था क्यूब का वो एस था, अब वो बन चुका है 4s. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई the edge by 4. So the edge of second cube will be 4 into s, that means 4s. So the volume of second cube is equal to side cube, that means 4s cube. Now we have to multiply 4s by 3 times. 4s into 4s into 4s. We will get 64s cube. Now we have to find out we have to find out the ratio of the volume of second cube upon the volume of the first cube. The volume of second cube is 64s cube and the volume of first cube is s cube. So when we solve it, we will get 64 by 1. Therefore, the volume of second cube is 64 times the volume of the first cube.